The Macau Ecological Pond in the wetland in Avenida da Praia, Taipa, was originally a mangrove swamp area. On the hillside is the famous and one of the most attractive tourist spots, the old Portuguese buildings. The ecological pond is an important ecological zone in Macau. The enhancement of landscape scenery increases the ecological and tourism value. Alongside the ecological pond is the Flower City Garden, where a wide area of flowering plants attracts tourists and visitors. Due to the development of the Cotai Area with huge structures of hotels and resorts, the government has continuously used this piece of land for transformation, hoping to restore its ecological value. Ecological trails and bird watching houses are set up in the area for nature lovers to watch birds without disturbing their habitats. As the biodiversity of the wetland is improved, many herons, forest birds, dragonflies, and butterflies inhabit the area. The trails of wooden viaduct encircles the wetland is a 1.4 kilometer, a perfect place for inhaling fresh air while enjoying the harmony of frogs and toads while gazing the scenery. To make it convenient for the public to visit the wetland and learn about its biodiversity, explanation boards with information about organisms in the wetland have been installed in the area to provide basic information about birds, insects, and aquatic plants. Aside from different plants added in the ecological ponds, leisure facilities are installed so that public can appreciate and experience the call of the birds and the aroma of the plants in nature while using the naturalistic facilities and enjoying nature. Three lotus viewing platforms are also installed on the trail, so that visitors can experience the feeling of being in a lotus pond and look at the unique scenery of Avenida da Praia, Taipa. Ecological Pond and Trail Park is open freely to public from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. every day.